Hello, my name is Dr. David Satnick. I'm a dentist in Ventura, California. I've been practicing here since 1986. I practice general dentistry, restorative dentistry, cosmetic dentistry, and help people with obstructive sleep apnea. I myself have obstructive sleep apnea, and I've been wearing an appliance for the last 14 years, so I know quite a bit about what it takes to develop one and wear one comfortably, so I can help you quite a bit if you suffer from obstructive sleep apnea.
My name is Steve Grimm. I've been a patient of Dr. Satnick for over 20 years. I was kind of intimidated for a while. I hadn't been to a dentist in probably 15 years prior, and I was a little hesitant to go to a dentist because of my lack of going. 2 years ago, I had to have a root canal and I had to have a tooth extracted. And it's not a painful or a frightening experience. I mean, he advertises dentistry with a gentle touch, and it truly is.
So continuing education is a very important part of my lifelong learning of dentistry. I love to learn new techniques to keep up with the latest technologies, bringing them to my practice as I see would fit well with my patient care. I think that it's very important to stay up to date and provide the services and help people understand what dentistry can provide today. We're living such amazing times with technology and scientific advancements. I owe it to my patients to continue learning and growing and providing for them.
My name's Renee Davis, and I work for the County of Ventura right next door, so it's very convenient. I came here because a friend of ours told us that he knew a really good dentist. So I needed a checkup, and I came over here, and I thought he was the coolest. He looks like Jerry Seinfeld too. So my first cavity, Dr. Satnick put in he was going to give me a shot. And before, at the dentist, when I would go to the other dentist, I would need gas, you know, that nitrous or something, just so I could handle the Novocaine. And Dr. Satnick said, "It's not going to hurt, I promise." Now, who says it's not? It's a shot. Are you kidding me? So I just kind of had to deal with it, and I trusted him. And I didn't feel the Novocaine. I couldn't believe it. I could not. He did it, and it was painless. He just did everything. And it kind of really bolsters your confidence, because, you know, at first you kind of don't smile. You have like a weird smile. You kind of do this and, you know, talk. And then after, when Satnick finishes with you, you just feel like you're, you know, hot stuff. So I wore red lipstick so that you could see how white my teeth are.
My name is Becky Karen. I live in Ventura. I've lived in Ventura since 3rd grade, and I love Ventura. And I have been going to Dr. Satnick for about 4 or 5 years. I can't remember exactly. I recently had to have a implant put in, and now my son's getting married next week, and I said, I need that tooth by next week, and he put a rush order in for it for me. And that's the kind of guy he is. He'll help you in any way he can. Dr. Satnick's going to put my crown back on next week, and I'll have it in time for my son's wedding.
Dr. Coyce had a term in some of the courses I took about 15 years ago, and he said, the best dentistry is no dentistry. And the truth is that's true, because a healthy tooth is a healthy tooth. So the least we can do to it, the healthier your tooth will be. I'm very conservative in my treatment. I really try to avoid crowning teeth if I don't have to. It's amazing some of the teeth that I have filled 20 years later still look great. And some dentists would crown them because they could. I just fell in love with the conservative approach of minimal dentistry. If this office sounds like a place you'd like to come, please do. We're more than happy to give you a tour of the office. You can meet me without making an appointment for an exam. Just to see our office, that's fine. We love to do that. Or if you'd like to make a new patient appointment, we'd love to have you part of our family of patients. I am positive you will have a wonderful experience even at the dentist.